everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to start Adobe XD's tutorials and I'm now giving you a quick introduction to Adobe XD, a fantastic tool for UI and UX design. If you are curious about what Adobe XD can do or just starting out, this video will give you a brief overview. So let's start. Adobe XD is a design tool made by Adobe specifically for creating user interfaces and user experiences. Whether you are designing a website, mobile app, or any digital product, Adobe XD helps you create everything from simple wireframes to interactive prototypes. With its clean and easy to use interface, Adobe XD is perfect for both beginners and experienced designers. It lets you design, prototype, and collaborate all in one place. Some key features of Adobe XD include design tools, powerful tools for creating layouts, shapes, and text. Prototyping, easily turn your designs into interactive prototypes. Collaboration, share your work and get feedback in real time. Integration, works seamlessly with other Adobe tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. So, why should you use Adobe XD? It's an all-in-one solution that makes designing and prototyping faster and more efficient. Plus, it's integrated with Adobe's Creative Cloud, making it easy to use alongside your other design tools. In short, Adobe XD is a powerful tool for anyone looking to create modern, user-friendly designs. If you are interested in UI UX design, Adobe is definitely worth checking out. So stay tuned with me and I'm starting tutorials and you will find them so easy. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick design tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.